Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, I'm going to cover how to put whole numbers into expanded form. Now, when it comes to expanded form, we take numbers and expand them out to show the value of each digit. Expanded form really helps our overall number sense and understanding of numbers. So we have three examples that we're going to go through together in order to get this down. I have a place value chart at the top of the screen. We're going to use that for number one, and a place value chart can be very helpful when first starting out or if you're not really understanding. It helps break the numbers down and see exactly where each digit is. But your ultimate goal is to be able to do expanded form without a place value chart. So let's jump into number one, where we have 576,901. And I'm going to write it up here in our chart. So we have 576,901. And we have a comma right here. Now, before we put that into expanded form, I want to mention that the sections, the ones, thousands, millions, billions, those go on forever. We just go up to the billions in this video. So those sections separated by commas are called periods. All right, so let's put number one into expanded form. And we're going to start with the greatest valued digit. So the digit furthest to the left, this 5. So we need to think, how much is that 5 worth? What's the value of that 5? And it is worth 500,000. So that's what we start with. The value of the 5 is 500,000. And then we just work our way to the right. So plus, we need the value of the 7. So that's in the 10,000s place. So it has a value of 70,000. Plus, our 6 here is in the thousands place. So it has a value of 6,000. Plus a 9 that's in the hundreds place, so it has a value of 900. We then have a 0 in the tens place. We don't need to represent that 0 within our expanded form, so we would go to the next digit, which is a 1 in the ones place, so it has a value of 1. And now we have number 1 put into expanded form. We showed the value of each digit. So on to number 2 here, where we have 63,085,004. We need to start with the greatest valued digit, so the furthest to the left, and it's this 6. So it's in the 10 millions place. So it has a value of 60 million. Now, with some of these larger numbers in value, you have to be very careful with your zeros. So for example, I would be incorrect there because that's only 60,000. We need 3 more zeros. Plus, this 3 has a value of 3 million because it's in the millions place. Plus, we have a 0, so we can move to the 8 here, which has a value of 80,000 because it's in the 10,000s place. Plus, a 5 in the thousands place, so 5,000. Plus, we have a 0 in the hundreds, 0 in the tens, so our next digit here is that 4. So a 4 in the ones has a value of 4. And there you have it for number 2. So we have the value of each digit expanded out. So on to number 3 here, where we have 2,072,080,000. And we'll start with the 2, which has a value of 2 billion. So with these, again, with these larger numbers in value, we have to be very careful with our zeros and that we have the correct value represented. So for example, I only have 2 million there, so we need 3 more zeros, so it equals 2 billion. We have a 0 in the 100 millions, so we can go to the 10 millions where we have a 7 worth 70 million. Plus 2 million here, a 2 in the millions place. Plus a 0 in the 100,000s, so we can go to the 8, which is in the 10,000s and has a value of 80,000. and we have all zeros remaining here, so we have all of those digits expanded out to show the value of each. So there you have it. There's how you put whole numbers into expanded form. Show the value of each digit, and there you go. You have the correct answer as far as expressing a number in expanded form. Now, I do want to mention that there is another way to express numbers in expanded form that involves using parentheses. I have a separate video that goes through how to do that. I drop that link down in the description. So as far as this video goes, I hope this helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.